Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Google AdSense code in head tags on Blogger. This is essential if you want to monetize your blog and start earning revenue from your content. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to your AdSense account. Open your browser and type in adsense.google.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your blog so everything syncs properly. After logging in, you'll land on the AdSense dashboard. Look over to the left side of the screen where you'll see a navigation menu. From there, click on Ads. This section is where you'll find all the code snippets and settings related to the advertisements you want to display on your site. Now, you should see an option that says Copy AdSense Code. Click on that and a pop-up will appear showing you the code that needs to be embedded into your blog. This code is what allows AdSense to track and display ads on your pages. Once you see the code, simply click on Copy to save it to your clipboard. With the code copied, it's time to head over to Blogger. Open a new tab and type in blogger.com. Log in if you haven't already, and you'll be taken to your Blogger dashboard where all your blogs are listed. On the left side of the screen, locate and click on Theme. This is where you can customize the look and functionality of your blog. You'll notice a button labeled Customize, but we're not going there just yet. Instead, click the small arrow down beside Customize, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Edit HTML. This will open up the raw code editor for your blog's theme. Now you're looking at the entire HTML structure of your blog. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming, we're only making a small change. Click anywhere inside the code area to activate it, then press Ctrl F on your keyboard. This will open a search box that lets you find specific lines of code quickly. In the search box, type in left angle bracket / head right angle bracket. This will locate the closing head tag in your blog's code. The head section is where important scripts and meta information are placed, and that's exactly where the AdSense code needs to go. Once you've found that tag, position your cursor just before it on the line above. Now paste the AdSense code you copied earlier. Make sure it's placed right before the closing head tag, as this ensures the code loads properly when someone visits your blog. After pasting the code, take a quick look to make sure everything is in place and nothing looks out of order. Then, move your eyes up to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a save icon. Click on it to save all the changes you've made. Blogger will process the update and your AdSense code will now be live on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added your Google AdSense code to the head tags on Blogger, and you're now ready to start displaying ads and earning from your blog. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.